Welcome back, travelers. Join us on a journey through the heart of Switzerland, a place we've found to be nothing short of heaven on earth. From the bustling streets of Zurich to the tranquil beauty of Montreux, our Swiss adventure has been unforgettable. We spent the night in Interlaken, a charming town nestled between two stunning lakes. The weather was perfect, with a gentle drizzle adding a touch of magic to the landscape. Interlaken's beauty and serenity made our brief stay truly memorable. As our trip progressed, we decided to experience one of Switzerland's renowned scenic trains, the Golden Pass. After much anticipation, we arrived in Interlaken, ready to embark on this picturesque journey. However, we were slightly disappointed to find a modern train instead of the vintage, Orient Express-style carriage we had seen on Instagram. Nonetheless, we were excited to witness the breathtaking scenery along the way. While the train itself was modern, the views it offered were nothing short of spectacular. As we traveled, we saw lush green meadows, towering mountains, and serene lakes, each scene more beautiful than the last. The Swiss countryside in summer is a sight to behold. Switzerland in summer is alive with activity. As we gazed out of the train windows, we saw people fishing, swimming, and rowing on crystal-clear lakes. The vibrant summer atmosphere added an extra layer of charm to our journey, showcasing Switzerland as the perfect family vacation destination. During our journey, we decided to try the onboard dining. Unfortunately, many menu items were unavailable, and the food we ordered was just okay and quite overpriced. Despite this, we embraced it as part of the experience, enjoying our meal while taking in the stunning views. Our journey through Switzerland has been so inspiring that we've already started planning our next vacation. We've been drawing chits to decide our next destination, eager to continue exploring the world's beauty. The excitement of planning the next adventure is already filling us with joy. After a few hours, we arrived in Montreux, a picturesque town on the shores of Lake Geneva. Montreux's peaceful ambience and breathtaking alpine views made it a highlight of our trip. The town's diverse culture, stunning geology, and unique topography offered us a rich and fulfilling experience. Reflecting on our trip, we feel incredibly grateful for the memories we've made. From the urban charm of Zurich to the natural beauty of Interlaken and Montreux, every moment was filled with wonder and joy. Despite a few minor disappointments, our Swiss adventure exceeded our expectations. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Switzerland. If you enjoyed our adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel stories and tips. Until next time, happy travels.